Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this organizer all together. So it comes in pieces actually in the packaging, so we're gonna make everything together to make this beautiful organizer with all the stuff in it. It's so amazing, it's a life-saving, looks so beautiful on your vanity. Just collect everything in one place. It's so easy to use and it's perfect. I love it so much. So thank you, baby, for giving me this beautiful organizer. So if you want to see how to collect these pieces, it just looks huge, but it's really easy to assemble. So if you want to see how I did it and do it together, just keep watching. Okay, so this is the organizer just after I removed it from the packaging. This is the packaging. So it's 360 rotating makeup organizer. It just came in a very big packaging just like that. So I just removed it from the packaging because it was so hard to show you. It just came into these two white like pieces. I don't know what it's called, but save it inside. So this is how it looks like after I just remove it from the package. Okay, so let's continue remove everything and show you everything in detail and assemble this organizer together. It looks scary at the beginning, but it's really easy actually. So it comes with 4 panels just like that. It's the small panel that you add your stuff on, and it's a sad thing because if it had more panels it would be way nicer. This is 2 panels just to go perpendicular above each other to make the walls of this organizer, and this is the bottom part, round bottom part, which have the wheels here, and this is the upper part. And inside we have this small blue bag which have the elastic or the rubber band that we're gonna use just later on to fix everything in place. So now I'm gonna show you, just remove it from the sack and show you how beautiful it is. As you can see, can you see that? I hope you can see that. It's so beautiful, it's clear, it's strong acrylic, have this pattern here, looks so beautiful and so chic. I love it so much. So let's remove everything from the sack and prepare everything to assemble this beautiful organizer. So this is the bottom part, and as you can see, it's really smooth. The wheel, it's really smooth. Even after I added all the perfume and all my like creams and stuff over it, it take a lot of stuff, and in the same time it's still so smooth and rotating. It's so amazing. So I have the 2 panels like as walls, and as you can see, this is the instruction, what you get with this organizer. I'm sorry, it was a little bit hazy, and how to assemble everything in steps. So looks a little bit scary at the beginning, but it's really easy. So we're gonna do everything together step by step. So if you wanna buy this one, I'm gonna link it in the card and in the description box down below. If you want to go and check it out, it's on Amazon US. It's not on Amazon Egypt, so you can find it on US. So I'm gonna link in the card, so if you are interested to have it, because it's really beautiful. So as you can see, I was just like trying to figure out how it works. As you can see, this long slot on each side just go like that. So just like that, really easy, and it has a lot of levels. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna take them just like that, and now I have my 4 walls. And as you can see, this lower part have this little slot, have 4 slots for 4 bridges on the walls to go inside and secure everything with the rubber band later on, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm gonna just add my panel just above it, just like that. So easy. I really hope everything is obvious because it's kind of hard to record something very clear like that. So yeah, I really hope so. So now here is the rubber band. Okay, this is the rubber band that we're gonna use. It's so important because we're gonna fix everything with this rubber band. So it looks like a cute little ones, but it's really strong and really tight one. So make sure you don't lose these ones, okay? Because they are so important. You need these little babies to fix everything in place. Without it, you can't. So as you can see, I just flip everything upside down to secure this part here. Okay, this part, as you can see, and I have my rubber band. So at first it's a little bit hard because I have a really long nails here and the rubber band is so tight, and it was kind of hard to like grab it. I was so scared I broke my nail because it's really tight one, and I was just trying to figure out how to do it, and finally I did it. Yeah. So that's it. So now it's fixed in place. Now I'm gonna do with the next one. So I have 4 part on the lower part, so you need to add 4 rubber band on 4 part, and make sure that you secure everything with the rubber band because it's so important. Without it, everything will just come off, and this organizer needs to be just in one piece. Okay, so this rubber band is so important. So now I finished, and as you can see, fixed in place and so beautiful. So sorry I'm out of focus, but so good. So now I realize out of focus, and you can see stay in place and so good, and still it's so smooth. Oh my god, so amazing. Now it's time to add the these panels or the shelves. So I have 4 of them, and in the same time you have a multiple levels on each panel here. So that's so good. I really hope that if they had like more shelves for smaller things, but for perfumes and all these kind of stuff, we can pick everything. And as you can see, have 4 parts here. So the left part is where we're gonna add the rubber band, because the rubber band will not the number of the rubber band will not just go for everyone. Okay, so now I'm adding this panel, this triangle panel or shelves in different levels, just how I feel I need them. So as you can see, I have a bigger one here because I have a bigger body mist, like from Bath and Body Shop. It's really long, so I need a very large space, and adding them on different level. Of course, when you begin to add your perfumes and your stuff, you can change the level as you want. As you can see, this one is so big for my bigger bottles. So I have different levels, and actually it ended up really nicely. I didn't change anything later on, so of course you can change if you want to later on. For me, as you can see, I will begin to add the rubber band. It will be a little bit hard to add it from this side to record for you to see, and at the same time to fix it in place. It's really hard. As you can see, my hands all over the place, so really hard to do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just switch the view. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here so you still see what I'm doing. That's the point. So adding a rubber band to this part here. Okay, just to this part and to the part next to it. And actually it's more than enough to fix the shelf in place and stay put without like moving around. Here I'm showing you what I mean with adding 2 parts only. So I'm gonna zoom in here. So you can see, as you can see, these 2 parts here, it's different from the other parts. This is where we're gonna add the rubber band, not the right side. On the left side, I'm gonna add the rubber band to these 2. The number of the rubber band will not be able to cover all the 4 parts in the 4 shelves. So that's what I'm gonna do, and actually it ended up really nice, fixing the shelves or the panels in place very perfectly, and with adding all the perfume and all the stuff over it still in place and still pretty strong. So it was more than enough actually, so don't worry about that. As you can see, everything fixed in place, doesn't move anywhere, and it's so beautiful. So the last step is adding the upper panel, which is just like that. And again, this upper panel have another 4 slots for the 4 ridges or the 4 parts of the panel. As you can see here, I'm gonna add it on the upper part here, that part, and then secure it with the rubber band, just like that. Now it's in place, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix it with the rubber band. So as you saw, it's really easy to assemble. The most important part of this organizer is the rubber band. So don't lose your rubber band because they are super important. They are super strong, hold everything in place. And as you can see, it just fixed in place and it doesn't go anywhere. It's so beautiful and so easy to assemble and looks so beautiful in real life, even more than the video really doesn't give it the credit of how beautiful it looks like. And now, like, excuse the mess around, but I really wanted to show you how it looks like while holding the camera. It's so beautiful. See that little golden sparks in it? It's so amazing. It's so smooth and so light, and at the same time really strong, hold a lot of stuff, a lot of perfume. Actually it took all the stuff on my vanity and it looks so beautiful and so amazing on my vanity. I really love it. Thank you, baby, for giving me this beautiful gift. It's amazing. I'm so happy with it. It's really good. So thank you. And this is how it looks like on my vanity with all my perfumes, creams, like cleansers and other things, and still have some space left. Actually took all my perfumes on it. Really amazing, looks so beautiful and so strong, and at the same time, oh my god, it's life-saving. I feel like how I lived my life without it before. So thank you, baby, for giving me this. And I really hope you liked this video and it was easy for you to assemble. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.